Hello friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. This is my Enjoy Pothos, and this is today's sky, grey sky, and it's pouring. It's 7:30 in the morning. Yes, back to my Enjoy Pothos. This was there in my room for about 5 to 6 days, or most probably a week. So I have brought it to the terrace so that it can enjoy the monsoon rain like its friends here, the neon pothos and the marble queen pothos. The white one is the marble queen and this is the neon. This is the marble queen pothos, a beautiful one. And this is my ZZ plant. In a few videos which I have shown earlier, I have been showing you the ZZ plant where the new leaf was emerging, and the light green leaves that you see here is the new leaf that has just emerged. See how beautiful it is, how vibrant green it is, and the leaves, as it matures, it is going to turn blackish. That is why it is called the black ZZ or the Zamiofolia zamioculcas. And it's a beautiful plant. It can be kept indoors as well. Now, as I was near my Syngonium, the green one, I had to show you this. Actually, I find this green color very soothing, very beautiful. That is why I'm sharing it with you again. Now let us move on to our Hoya. This is my Hoya, which has lost its color, and I have to move it to a shady spot, or very soon this too will vanish by the time the monsoon gets over, because it's just August. Today is the 8th of August and still more to go. And this is my Syngonium albo, a beautiful one which I had bought last year from the Gorkhe Hut, Siliguri Gorkhe Hut. It's the beautiful variegated leaf, and wait, I'm going to show you the root. That's the root. Look at it, so active it has become. It's long. This means your plant is ready for propagation. You can take cuttings and shift it and place it in different pots so that you can have more number of plants. You can gift it. Yes, I love gifting plants. You can also do the same thing. If it's your friend's birthday or your near and dear one's birthday, along with the gift, you can gift a plant too. I do that. I try to do that. And this is my Syngonium albo. It is also called the arrowhead plant. I am also in a lookout for Syngonium aurea. Now let's see, maybe in future I can catch hold of it. This is my Kalanchoe, the panda's paw, although the impressions that should be on the leaves are not showing. Back to my Syngonium albo. This is the new leaf. Actually, that time I missed showing you this part. This is the new leaf, and these are the older leaves. As it matures, the leaves are going to turn green. Now moving on to my succulent. See the black portion, those are the succulent that has been rotting. This is my Pachyphytum, which was nice and healthy some days back, but because of the monsoon, part of it has started rotting, so this too has to be shifted to a more drier place. Now this chap seems to be loving the monsoons. Look at it. This is my golden sedum, and it is doing just wonderful. This is my jade plant. It is the variegated jade. It is also called the Portulacara afra variegata. And I have been showing you this plant again and again, but still till now I have not been able to decide whether I should chop it off or leave it as it is cascading downwards. So thank you my dear friends for staying till the end. If you all have found my video useful, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye for today.